Namaste and welcome to Codemaster Lab. Today I'm excited to introduce our brand new product, Wedding Window, designed specially for event planners, wedding business, and vendors who want to grow digitally. Managing wedding vendors is often confusing. Multiple categories, vendor details scattered, and no streamlined onboard processing. That's where wedding vendors come in. With wedding vendors, you get category creation, which means easily create and manage vendor categories like photography, catering, decoration, bridal makeup, and many more. Vendor onboarding, simple process to add vendors with their business info, services, social media accounts, and many more. Smart listing, where users can able to search filter vendors quickly by category, by location. You also get an admin control panel where you can manage, approve or update vendor information in just few clicks. So let me show you how easily you can install this project in your server. I'll take you to my screen. Then I'll show you step-by-step process what you need to do. I'll show you in our local host. I'm using XAMPP as of now. I have already saved all the files which are required in my htdocs. Okay, so you can see here all the files are present. So I'll go to the local host. Then I will create one database with the name WoW Vibes. Okay, so once it has been created, then what I will do, you can select any latest configuration, whatever it is shown here. You can go ahead with any latest configuration and then create it. So once it is created, I will go to the localhost and navigate to the website. Then it will redirect me to the sign up. Let me log out if I have logged in previously. So once it is done, then you mention your site name, tagline, contact email. Contact email is the email which you want to display. Website mobile number is the number which you want to display. Logo which you want to keep basically. So add that, and description, title I have previously created, so just I will give you a copy paste. Okay, so once it is done, give the admin name, then email ID and the password. That's it. Click on complete setup. Once it is clicked, you will get a notification the setup is complete and you can view the page. At present there is nothing, everything will be zero. The whatever you have mentioned over the setup page, it will be displayed over here as a WoW Vibes and everything, select city and all, everything is blank as of now. Why this is blank? Because there is nothing we have added. So what we'll do, we will soon go and log into our dashboard. Once we log in, we can able to see a beautiful dashboard with vendor onboarding, how much the customers, how many members are there, net revenue. We'll change it out later on. And all the vendors we can able to see, all the customers we can able to see, vendor category as well we can add. Let me add few categories. Let me do it as early as I can. I have already created it out previously. Now I have added beautifully 3 categories: photographer, videography and venues. Okay, so you can able to see in the page that it has been created properly. Then we'll go to settings, and here we can add our logo and favicon. Also we have given option, so you can change your favicon. I have just added the logo and favicon and then have updated it. Every details which you update here will get updated parallelly. Okay, so once it is done, well, you can able to see other things as well. Before we create a vendor account, let me log in again to the admin panel and create a blog. Okay, let's create a blog. Why? Because we have not added the blog, so let's create a blog. So I've already added few things, so just I'll copy paste the blog details, images, and all, and then blog is done. So once you save the blog, click on view. Okay, so view the blog. So you can able to see the beautiful blog is already created with a few details which we have entered, and it is SEO based. All the details which we have entered are SEO based. So you can able to see all the blogs will be displayed here according to the categories and all. You can reset the filters and all. Everything is mentioned over here. Quite a beautiful website with vlogs and all. Now without wasting time, let us log out and then let us go for the vendor registration. Okay, so we will create a vendor with the details of test vendor. Okay, an email ID of test and a phone number, and a phone number and a password will be using the same. Here I have not kept in two-factor authentication as of now. Just user ID, password, sign in. Once anyone will buy it, then I'll do that modifications and I'll hand over it to you as per the server. Here I have logged in. You can see a beautiful vendor form where he can add all his details, shop details, description, services, photos, FAQs, special features, packages. I'm just copy pasting all the things which I have previously tested for this website. So just I'm copy pasting all the things, and beautifully we'll save the details. Once it is saved, all the details will be saved successfully. Once you'll refresh, you can able to see all the details. So anytime you update it out, you can able to see that. Description, similarly, you can add it out. You can keep bold, headings and all, everything you can add accordingly. Okay, so services also you can add few of them. Okay, and also you can have photos to be upload. If you want to upload, then you can do that as well. If you want to add special features, packages, if you have any, so everything will be added. Now I'll go to our home page and let's see what changes have been done. So if you go to home page, you can see that a location has been added here. Okay, why? Because a vendor with in Hyderabad location has been added, so we have added. And you click on that, Hyderabad vendors will be visible and all the details will be visible over here. And when we click on phone, customer will able to fill the details and click on submit. He will get an email notification or a WhatsApp notification. Both he can get it out. And he also uploaded two photos, so we can see them here as well. Okay, that's how it is been developed. All the photos we can able to see, blogs we can able to see, changes we can check, each and everything. So that's all you will be getting in this complete package. Hope you have liked it. And here is the best part. Now you can able to buy this wedding vendor solution by giving an one-time payment. Guess the price? It's not 50,000, not even 30,000. It is less than 30,000, which is 26,600 only, which includes one-time free support, installation in your server, and if any modifications you want beyond what we are providing as of now, as what you have seen, it is charged extra. So if you are ready to simplify your vendor management and take your business digital, connect with us today. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more product demos and update from Code Master Lab. Let's see you in next video.